So, looking at some of the items as finds from Sheffield floods, we've got all these pop cans, various grades. You know that they are nasty when they're very sharp. Got deodorant can there, metal fittings from machines. You've got old plugs, remains of a toy car, pipes, cake decorator, some very worn down penny and 2p, a nail, bits of random metal. Now we've got all these metal turn-ins. You get a lot of this from Sheffield production. Shouldn't be in the water. More plugs, hubcaps, wires, and various pieces of thin metal, scourers, things like that. Again, an environmental hazard. More wire, fishing waste, and bits of steel there. And now all this should not be in the environment. So other things that were found was these round ingots, metal offcuts, just there. You get different types of ring pulls, razor blades, these round washers, metal offcuts, again more metal turn-ins, razor sharp, so they should never be in the environment. You get bits of bar like that, bits of soda can, then you've got the beer cap or bottle caps. You've got knife blade blanks, large nut, old electronics cable from a mobile phone, lots of nails, broken iron, bits of labels, scissor blade, food tin lids, bits of metal, bottle stoppers for alcoholic beverage, large lumps of iron, knife blades, scaffold clamps, the occasional plier, food tin, and a bird seed feeder, the large iron bar, and just there we've got a aluminium bar of some sort. We've got a lot of cables from some electronic device, a little hook, large remains of a chain, part of a lock front, and a designer wallet, New York. And amongst the trash, bits of metal, things like that, we've got all these bits. So, old leather shoe soles, pre-1900 on those. Got Bakelite light fittings, blue furnace glass, old pottery, pre-1900 again, and some back as early as the 1600s on this. Bits of bone, a faceless dog, bottle neck, some stoppers, one here, Ridge War grade, so that'd be First or Second World War, 1914, 1918, 1939, 1945. You've got a caster wheel from furniture, 1930s. You've got this smelt pot fragment, 1700s, with a number 5 on the bottom. Glass meat paste jar, knife handle, lots more bone, prehistoric wood, knife handles, again made out of bone, so a lot of this bone would be reused for making items. Very, very nice knife handle there, decorated, 1700s, part of a cream pot. All these clay pipe stems, bit small bottle and wine bottle, a knife handle, pencil, cork, polished glass, bit of marble which can be reused for something. There's a part of a grinding wheel, part of a Midland Bank item where you'd put your coins in and you take it into the bank to be opened. Clearly that one wasn't. Somebody obviously wanted to get the money out. You've got bits of leather with copper in, pre-1900. Golf balls, bits of old wood, lots of old pottery, different ages, 1600 onwards. Well folks, that's just a little video of the items that was found post-flood clean-up. Some of those were seen in my previous video. Hope you enjoyed that. So I did mean to put that into the last video, but it was getting a bit too long, so I've done a separate video. Thanks for watching everybody, and there'll be another magnet fishing video very, very soon, as I intend to be out over the next few days. And tomorrow I'm going to be doing a bit of a river cleanup, embankment cleanup, and just generally helping the environment. Right, that's it for now. Bye for now.